All right, we got the Cobra 29 that the mess was in. That mess right there. Trash can. We're gonna do a little performance test. First, we're gonna do it on Bird. Just turn the mic gain down. We've actually got like a 2-watt dead key on set on the radio. Hello, 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 hello. Almost 10 watts Bird. Sorry for the shakiness. I'm on the radio bench, so I ain't got nothing to hold the thing up. We're gonna go to PEP. Hello, 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 hello. About 45 PEP. We took a 2078. Whoops. We took a 2078 out of it, and it's got a 1969 vinyl. Was an upgrade we did for this radio. We call it Super Tune. Tenfold. We gonna be out. See y'all later. Bye bye bye.